Welcome back to Anne's Vlogs. Today, we're visiting one of Winnipeg's most treasured destinations, a place where history, nature, recreation, and community have come together for well over a century. Welcome to Kildonan Park. Kildonan Park sits on the Red River floodplain, one of the flattest landscapes in the world. During spring snowmelt, the Red River can rise significantly, and the park has experienced flooding over the years. These seasonal floods help replenish nutrients in the soil, contributing to the park's lush vegetation, but they also require careful flood management by the city of Winnipeg. Although it's in the middle of Winnipeg, Kildonan Park functions as an important urban ecosystem. Its mature trees help cool the surrounding neighborhoods during hot summer days, filter air pollutants, absorb rainwater, and provide nesting habitat for many bird species. In a busy city, parks like Kildonan are essential green lungs that benefit both wildlife and the people. One lesser-known feature is Lord Selkirk Creek, it's hard to pronounce again, which flows through part of the park before joining the Red River. The creek adds another layer of habitat for birds, amphibians, and aquatic life while creating picturesque bridges and quiet waterside views that many visitors overlook. Kildonan Park is a rewarding place for bird watchers throughout the year. Depending on the season, visitors may spot chickadees, nuthatches, downy and hairy woodpeckers, northern cardinals, blue jays, Baltimore orioles, warblers during migration, and waterfowl along the river. Early mornings are often the best time to observe wildlife. Many locals consider Kildonan Park one of Winnipeg's best places to experience autumn. The combination of mature deciduous trees, winding roads, and the Red River creates stunning displays of yellow, orange, and red foliage, attracting photographers. Unlike some parks that are busiest only in the summer, Kildonan Park offers something in every season. Spring brings migratory birds and blooming flowers. Summer features gardens and outdoor performances. Autumn showcases vibrant foliage, and winter transforms the park into a snowy landscape for skating, sledding, and peaceful walks. One detail many visitors don't notice is that the park's roads and pathways were designed to reveal changing views as you move through the landscape. Rather than seeing everything at once, visitors gradually discover gardens, river overlooks, open lawns, and wooded areas, creating a sense of exploration. As you're seeing here in my video. For generations, Kildonan Park has hosted family reunions, wedding photos, graduation portraits, charity walks, cultural celebrations, and community events. Many Winnipeg families have memories of visiting the park across multiple generations, making it not just a recreational space, but also part of the city's shared history. The name Kildonan comes from Kildonan Parish in Scotland. In the early 1800s, Scottish settlers from that area established communities north of present-day Winnipeg as part of the Red River settlement. The name remains a reminder of that Scottish heritage, which influenced the development of the region. One of Kildonan's Kildonan Park's greatest strengths is its atmosphere. Despite being surrounded by urban neighborhoods and major roads, the combination of mature trees, open spaces, and the flowing Red River often makes visitors feel far removed from the city life. It's a place where people can slow down, enjoy nature, and reconnect with the outdoors.
The surrounding neighborhood is equally rich in history. Just south of the park lies the Seven Oaks area, remembered for the Battle of Seven Oaks in 1816, a pivotal event in the history of the Red River settlement in western Canada. Nearby historic landmarks, including Seven Oaks House Museum and St. John's Church, reflect the region's deep connections to Indigenous peoples, the Red River Métis, early Scottish settlers, and the fur trade. Together, these places tell the story of how Winnipeg grew along the banks of the Red River. Today, Kildonan Park serves as a bridge between Winnipeg's past and present. It is not simply a place to relax or enjoy the outdoors. It is a living landscape where history, culture, recreation, and nature come together. Whether you're visiting for the colorful gardens, riverside trails, outdoor performances, or simply to enjoy a peaceful walk beneath towering trees, every path through the park reveals another piece of Winnipeg's story.
Ayun guys, so if you've enjoyed my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and like my videos if you like. Yeah.